Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing his beautiful 1973 Ford Mustang. This particular model, as you've already guessed, is a Mach 1. Pretty well equipped. The most important thing, at least to me, is what's under the hood. This car, a 351 Cleveland Cobra jet package. So if you're looking at this, you may have already heard of that, but if it's new to you, it's denoted by the Q in the VIN number. It shows the higher horsepower 351 Cleveland 4-barrel with different heads, a little bit more horsepower, especially during the gas era. But what a beautiful example to us from an elderly gentleman out of West Virginia who's had the car over 20 years, is maintaining this car in his collection. Rebuilt the engine, it says about 10 years ago, but less than 4,000 miles ago also. We'll see there, current registration sticker from West Virginia. But what a really nice car. Urethane front bumper in great shape. Fog lights for Mach 1, the NASA hood. Indeed, these are painted on. Flat black or semi-flat satin. The paint and body on this car, very nice. A little mark right there. I don't know if it shows up well in the pictures, but see 15-inch magnums, BFG radial TAs. Really straight, nice body. Sport mirror on the passenger side. Again, that was an option. Stainless and bright work in nice shape. Carpet has been replaced. The seat upholstery also recently been redone. See a lot of improvements cosmetically that he's done over the years. New weather stripping that came along with the paint, which was done about the same time. Really well done. Nice dash pad. You see the automatic console shifter. Speakers in the back. This also does have an AM/FM stereo. It looks like this car has had a quarter panel on this side. That's okay, that just means we don't have to do it, right? Mach 1 lettering on the back and a blackout trim panel with the camera case finish. Exhaust tips, those are extensions, those can be removed if you prefer. Rear deck lid spoiler. Full size spare is always nice to see. A little bit of water right there, we just washed it. This also has a trunk courtesy leg that functions. A mercury switch, see if we can get a peek at it up there. There we go. And this paint presents very, very nice. Wimbledon white. This quarter panel also been replaced at some point in its life. I can see non-factory spot welds there. Again, that's okay. The idea of these videos obviously is for full transparency. We want you to be satisfied when this car arrives. And to send your friends. we know is us car guys stick together. 73 chrome door handles. Remote mirror. On the driver's side, you see upgraded factory speakers in the doors. Here's the original door sticker to me. Again, evidence of the repaint here, but again, well done. People call these the big nose years, 71, 2, 3. We've had quite a few of them. This is actually the third Cobra Jet car that we've had. And you can tell this car was painted apart. Power assist brakes, power steering with the cooler. Always found that awkward the way those were mounted from the factory. Chrome valve covers, aftermarket intake, that's an Edelbrock. Same one I have on my Cleveland, as a matter of fact. Go in here, we'll fire up. Showing 33,000 miles, most likely that's 133. Dash tack, nice feature. Now we just performed a tune-up on this car. Plugs and wires. I don't hear any noise out of the radio, assume that does not work. We'll have to take a look at that. Yeah, nice dash pad. The horn does not function, the wipers do. So we're all buttoned up under the hood. Got my chauffeur here. Let's go for a ride. 3-speed automatic. Should be a C6. And this car might be an FMX. I'd have to look. This is our main dealership where all of our cars are detailed and videoed. This is actually my 20th year making videos like this for customers all over the world. We'll head down the road here and see how she does. So all your gauges function nicely. good cars for good people.